of daylight around. What it means, though, at home, look at these pictures against this gorgeous blue. It was different than starting them at the usual time, but gorgeous.
You know what? That's the twilight of dusk.
Yeah.
And having the fireworks up against not a deep blue sky, but just solid blue sky.
I ended up with my goosebumps had goosebumps, and it was just gorgeous.
Why
That's
not?
always the finale. I tell people that the fireworks in Detroit are basically a finale that lasts a half an hour.
But you know, when you hear the applause,
The 2015 winner too. Plus, you can still win a fan prize worth